soak in. It's going to be one less work out of it.
You got this, Binh. You're born for this.
Ready? You record this?
Yep. It's pretty good, isn't it?
Throw up point that way.
It's good. I feel it already.
Yeah. I feel it.
Fucking hurts. It's all over my mouth.
I think that just makes it worse.
Now, this is at least right up there, close to the most anybody's ever eaten at once of this stuff, right?
Yeah.
I just want to cry out.
It's okay, man. Let it out.
So right.
Don't rub your eyes. Did you get some water? Yeah. Don't rub your eyes.
Oh, it's so throbbing in my mouth.
Try eating your pickle.
That pickle will help.
Need some water? Need some water?
Alright, it's just burning.
So is it about like you were expecting?
Oh, worse. Way worse.
You definitely had a man portion.
Yeah, you didn't hold back. In fact, it's a good thing we told you to wipe some of that off.
This is actually helping my cool it down.
But then it gets really hot.
Yeah, it makes it worse.
Yeah.
My face feels numb.
You broke the record for most eaten at once.
Oh, my ears.
Yeah, there's smoke coming out of them.
Champion.
Starting to feel better?
Yeah.